What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a quick look on near because right now we broke this resistance of this falling wedge and we are in the support confirmation phase. So if certain conditions are met here right now, then I will be thinking about opening a long position. So yeah, if you are interested about the exact setup that I'm planning to take here, definitely watch this video till the end. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday crypto analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you want to copy my exact trades or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join to this group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the 4-hour chart. As I said in the beginning, we broke this resistance of this falling wedge, and right now we are trying to confirm support here. And if there will be a support confirmation, then I think that this can be actually like a really good opportunity for opening a long trade. So the exact trade can then look, for example, like this. So stop loss, in this case, you need to place somewhere back to this falling wedge. The stop loss really depend on the risk to reward that you want to have here, and the last take profit targets you can place either under this like previous high, or you can aim for like that $10 mark, which will be like next important psychological resistance. Or if you want, you can of course aim for like a higher levels. In this case, definitely take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits definitely take like somewhere under these previous highs, this previous highs, this previous highs, this high, and then you can save some back to the last take profit target. And every time you are taking some of the profits, you can always like move the stop loss so you can't turn your profitable position into a loss, or so you can secure your profit. Stop loss, as I said, in this case, it really depends on the risk reward ratio that you want to have. So after its upper confirmation, you can, for example, place it, let's say, slightly above like 3%, which will give you risk to reward like almost 15, or you can place it to like, for example, on like 6% of the net market, which will give you risk to reward around like 8.2. So yeah, it really depends on you. Me personally, I would aim here for like risk reward ratio around 10, something like that. So if you will take multiple take profit targets, the risk reward ratio will be like still 6.5, which is in my opinion really good, and you can manage the long position pretty easily. So yeah, that's in my opinion the best way how you can handle this current setup. But as always, it's really important right now to wait for that support confirmation and for some increased bullish volume, because there is still some probability that there will be like a breakdown resistance confirmation, and then the price is probably going down. So yeah, you just don't want to hold this position before there is that support confirmation. If we take a look on this coin from a higher time perspective, for example a daily time frame, you can see that right now we are in the heavy uptrend. So I think that there is, let's say, high probability that the coin will continue to go up, but as always there are certain conditions that needs to be met. If we take a look on the current all-time high, you can see that we are still down around like 67%. So there is definitely, from a long time perspective, still good risk to reward ratio, or like still good long potential for these positions. So yeah, that's another reason why I think that the long position right now is a good idea, because simply we have here still a room for another pump. So yeah, also on the higher time frame, this coin is looking really bullish, but as always, as I said, there are certain conditions that needs to be met before I'm entering any of my trades. But if you, for example, want to take here for some reason a short trade, there is like this interesting bearish order block on the 4-hour chart, which is between levels 7.526 and 7.359. So if there will be breakout, fake out, and then resistance confirmation, this can be a decent opportunity for a short trade. Stop loss, in this case, you can place like above these previous highs, so the potential stop loss is like 5.3%, which is quite good. But the main problem is with that main take profit target. But probably the best way will be to put it, let's say, above this previous week low. But in this case, it's also really important to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits definitely take above this resistance of this falling wedge, then some of the profits definitely in this area above these previous lows, and then you can save some back to the last take profit target. So in the end, from the risk reward ratio 7.6, the risk reward ratio will be like 4.2, 4.5, something like that, which is like not bad, but in my opinion there is actually not that high probability that that this trade will be successful. But if you are looking for some short potential position, I think that this is the best setup that you can currently get here on that 4-hour chart. Okay guys, thank you everybody for watching this video. If you want to copy my exact trades or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join my Discord trading group where I am sharing analysis every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. But yeah, this will be all from me for today. Thanks again for watching and I will see you in the next video. See ya.